people are becoming interested again. It's really kind of a renaissance for gardening for food across the country. We wanted to be a part of that conversation and be a part of that experience and movement that's going on. We determined we wanted a place on property where we could showcase herbs and vegetables. We had this area that really wasn't spoken for in our master plan. We felt like it would be the perfect place to eventually be able to put this new garden. Has a great view of downtown Dallas, which we thought was a neat connection. So the combination of growing food and learning what you can do with it when it's harvested is really kind of the basis for our concept for a tasteful place.
So today we're working with tomatoes and green beans. Now,
one of the things that we're really excited about is our partnership with the Centro Food and Hospitality Institute. I think it's a great partnership.
A galette is like a free-form pie. So it's pie without the pie dish.
Both El Centro College and the Arboretum are public serving institutions. Both exist for the purpose of serving our community and helping create opportunity for the people who live here in Dallas.
To have our garden here growing these vegetables and have the folks from El Centro that are so talented here once a week to showcase what to do with it and interact with the visitors that come to the Arboretum and prepare these different dishes and the recipes that they can take home from this experience. It's just amazing.
For El Centro College to partner with the Arboretum here at a Tasteful Place makes absolute sense to create more culture behind the culinary industry here in Dallas.
A lot of people right now are very focused on eating healthier, but it gets very daunting when, well, I don't really want to eat green beans for the rest of my life, or I don't, I don't like vegetables because I only know asparagus, or I only know, overboiled cabbage. So we go all the way through this.
We're so lucky to have Chef Allison Matus on our faculty and presenting here at A Tasteful Place. Chef Allison has impeccable education credentials, having received her master's degree from the Swiss Hotel School, the #1 hospitality administration school in the world.
Everybody can learn how to use vegetables in a way that they're not familiar with. So taking things like Brussels sprouts and making them not the way your mama made them, or kale, vegetables that a lot of people tend to be a little off-put by, and showing them how easy they are to work with as well as how delicious they can be, so that your typical mundane vegetables that we all fall into the habit of making every day of every week for the rest of the year except for 2 major holidays, it introduces a different level of vegetable and wonderfulness. So this is a way to make vegetables really interesting for people. You're gonna put them down, face down, just like that, and then you're not gonna touch them. Yeah, I see a few, I know, right? That is a daunting task.
What I really like about Allison in El Centro is how the people are absorbing all this information. She has a good rapport with the people, and people walk away saying, wow.
Who can't do that? Exactly, no one answered.
I especially love how she's so off the cuff, but she's so friendly and warm. She literally breaks it down for you, and then she adds such really cool little elements on how you would do this and how you would store this, and her knowledge is so amazing. So this is really a great experience.
You get to taste new and exciting foods. The vegetables we're working with are really awesome in order to pass it on to the family in a way that I'd have never thought of, and they're eating vegetables. It's great.
No vegetable tastes like bacon. It's unfortunate. The demo is every single Monday at 11 a.m. and I do the same menu for the month. And that's strategic, so if you miss it, don't worry, I'm here for more. You can always get plenty of Allison every single Monday. But then also I change the menus when the food outside changes, when the produce changes in the garden. It's reduced by half, so kind of remember you're having a glass of wine while you're doing this, so your judgment's a little off. So
people come over and over again. They get these great experiences and they can get these recipes as well. And I'm so thrilled to have this as part of a guest experience here at the Arboretum.